How to make CryptoPunks NFT art on Canva. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create CryptoPunk NFT using Canva, and it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So without any delay, let's get to the video. So first of all, what you have to do is open canva.com and log in or sign up as required. I have already logged in because my account was previously created. So this is the homepage of Canva that I was created to. So as you can see, Canva has a lot of options to create a lot of things, but there's not a specific option of creating an NFT or a CryptoPunk, or you get a template for that. No, that's not available on Canva. But as it has a lot of customization options and it has a lot of things that you can do, it has a lot of options that you can choose from. So we are going to customize one for ourselves today. And as you know that there are some NFT creators, some very technical kind of softwares, Photoshop or something that you use for this purpose, or you use for creating NFTs, but it gets a little bit too technical for a layman or for a beginner. So we are using Canva because Canva is more user friendly. So first of all, what you have to do is go on to Google Images and search for CryptoPunks. And as you can see, there are a lot of CryptoPunks that that are being made these days and that are available and that you can also make. So as you can see, if I open one here, it's a very simple CryptoPunk. It's a long line of blocks. Then there's for ear, and then there's head, and then again the face, and there he's wearing a hat, as I think so it's a hat. And as you can see, the linings are all very simple. Everything happens in blocks. Like this is a block, everything happens in a block system, a grid basically. So what we're going to do today is go on to Canva once again and go on to custom size and get your size for so you can go with pixels, or you can go with inches or millimeters or centimeters, but I'm going with 1200 by 1080 pixels, custom size for create new design. So when I click this, another tab will open up and it will give me a 1200 by 1080 pixels blank space where I will create my NFT, and that where I'll work on. And here I can create my own grid and do whatever I want. So I will just zoom this in a little bit, not that much, so that I can work easily. So the next thing that you have to do is go into the elements, search for grid here, and as you can see, these are some grids available on Canva, and they have different options. Like you can choose this one, and you can add in pictures or colors or whatever you want in these blocks, and you can create your grid using these templates. Or you can also go on to Google Images once again and write grid here, search for grid, and you can have these grids here, but they won't be according to your custom size, that is 1200 by 1080 pixels. So it is not, it won't be very easy to use, and they will become a little bit of hassle in the end when you start creating your NFT. So that's why I want to create my own customized grid here as well, so that everything maintains good and everything stays perfect till the end. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to search for square, a simple square, and as you can see, this is a simple square block, and I'm just going to click it and insert it in. You have to resize it, and you have to see that the size proportions, the width and height are the same, because otherwise it won't be a square, it will become a rectangle or something. So as you can see, I'm just going to make it a little bit more. So I got my custom size here. Now I'm just going to bring it here and place it right here. You can also make it more smaller if you want to add more detailing onto your CryptoPunk. I guess I'm just going to leave it at 80 by 80 ratio, because that looks good. So now what you're gonna do is you're just going to copy. So after placing it at the corner of the page, what you're going to do is you are just going to duplicate it from here and bring one right here, then again duplicate and bring one right here, again duplicate and bring one here. So using these blocks and duplicating each one, because we have to maintain the size of these, so you can just create your own grid. It takes a little bit of time, but after creating one line, I will show you what you can do to make it a little faster. So as you can see, this whole line has been created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select all of these, and I'm going to duplicate the whole line, and I'm going to bring it down and place it right here. So as you can see, another line has been created. Now I'm just going to select all of them together. Again, duplicate the whole design and just bring it down and place it exactly at the spot that you wanted. Now again, just duplicate the whole design and just bring it down to the spot that you want it on. And okay, so this is how easily you can create a whole grid on Canva. And as you can see, it doesn't take much time. So the next thing that you want is you have to take a square, just duplicate that square and bring it right here. And then what you need to do is you're just going to select the whole grid and go on to this and lock the whole grid so that nothing moves when you again try to do something with it. So the next thing that you want to do is add in a square once again and just resize it to 80/80 ratio that we went with, and like this. And then you have to bring it right where you want to start your NFT from. So now I want you to go back onto CryptoPunks, and as you can see, a straight line, one loop for ear, and then a head, and then another straight line, and a jawline and neck. So this is the simple basic structure of the NFT. So what we're going to do structure very quickly. So I'm just going to change the color of this to black. I'm going to start creating them from here. Now I'm just going to duplicate this one and bring it here, duplicate again, okay, duplicate again. And as you can see, this is how easily you can create the whole line. Now I want to take one and take this one out for the ear and duplicate it and this, and I'm just going to we're just trying to create the ear loop here. Make sure to place them correctly into the desired boxes because the size is same, so there shouldn't be any white space being left between them. Okay, this is good to go. Duplicate it again and just bring it again here. And now we are going for creating the head of our NFT. Just another straight line, it's important, and another straight this like this, and just bring this one right here, this one right here. Okay, so you saw the basic process. So now I'm just going to quickly go in and create the outline, and then I will get back. Okay, so as you can see, I have created the whole outline here. So now I'm just going to fill in these boxes right here that are these are the ones that I want to make skin like color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this whole line right here, and I'm just going to duplicate this whole line, and I'm just going to bring it right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to color it in the color that I want for the skin, like this one, or as in the picture, light blue. Okay, so I'm just going to keep duplicating it and keep placing it so that it becomes the whole skin of our NFT, and looks good. And I'm just going to do it very quickly, and I'll just get back to you guys. Okay, so as you can see here, I have colored everything in. Please look out for these spaces. I was just in a hurry right now because this is just for tutorial purpose, so I went in with whatever it looks fine. But if you're creating a professional NFT, you must look out for these spaces. So I went in and locked the whole blocks completely so that everything stays in place and nothing moves. So now I'm just going to add in another square and make it 80/80 ratio very quickly. And okay, so I locked it, but I guess I'll just unlock it and unlock this one block, and I'm just going to duplicate it. And now I'm going to make it black for the eyes like this, and duplicate it again and make it another eye right here. And then I want to make a mouth, and for that I'm just going to I'll bring this one right here and then duplicate it once again and make it go here, and once again to make a thin line mouth. Okay, so as you can see, this is a basic CryptoPunk NFT. You can create a hat with this, and if you want to create a background, you can just color all them with white so that everything looks good and in space and it doesn't look like a grid version. And this is how you can easily create the whole NFT, and this is how you can create the CryptoPunk NFT using Canva, which is very easy. You can have a lot of customizations with it because this was just a basic tutorial video, so I'm just showing you the basics of creating the whole NFT. So you can do a lot of creative stuff with it, and you can be a lot more specific with the features. You can add different fonts, like if you can use like one here in the picture. If you want to create the eye for the eye version, you can have two black blocks and then two dark blue colored blocks for having that effect of the eye and having more dimension to your CryptoPunk NFT. And if you want, you can make these blocks a lot more smaller so that you can have you can add more features and you can add different shades and colors to it. So this is how you can easily create one of yourself using Canva. And I hope you liked today's video, and I hope it was informational, it was helpful for you guys. And keep liking and keep watching my content. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.